Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. Hybrid workforce brings companies to have data-aware approach to cloud security. Data is now in the cloud, in SaaS, in your data center. It's just everywhere, and because of the pandemic, users are everywhere as well. With most of the data in the cloud and users accessing it from everywhere, a number of approach to security is needed. Currently, most companies focus on restricting access and having zero trust principles, but only controlling access is not enough. The security architecture needs to protect the data itself, preventing unauthorized modification or distribution of that data. One benefit of using cloud computing services is that firms can avoid the upfront cost and complexity of owning and maintaining their own IT infrastructure and instead simply pay and what they use when they use it. In turn, providers of cloud computing services can benefit from significant economies of scale by delivering the same services to a wide range of customers. Cloud computing is becoming the default option for many apps. Software vendors are increasingly offering their applications as services over the internet rather than standalone products as they try to switch to a subscription model. However, there are potential downsides to cloud computing in that it can also introduce new costs and new risks for companies using it. In 2022, more than $1.3 trillion in enterprise IT spending is at stake from the shift to cloud, growing to almost $1.8 trillion in 2025. Ongoing disruption to IT markets by cloud will be amplified by the introduction of new technologies, including distributed cloud. No matter where the data sits and moves, policy and security follow the data. This unique data-centric approach simplifies, allowing companies to accelerate their digital transformation and secure their hybrid workforce. Secondly, there is a huge shift witnessed from the corporate world in terms of their go-to-market strategy during the pandemic. That is, more and more businesses are moving away from the traditional product economy to the subscription economy. The subscription economy refers to the increasing presence of subscription-based businesses in today's e-commerce landscape as opposed to the traditional pay-per-product model. Subscription models have the potential to completely transform an industry that faces challenges such as seasonality and growth decline cycles by ensuring a relatively stable revenue stream, and at the same time, certain companies have integrated subscriptions to their mix of revenue streams, while others will go to market with it as a foundational offering. Regardless, COVID-19 has highlighted the need for a more predictable and recurring revenue stream. It is observed the subscription model is well placed to capitalize on increasing consumer demands for personalization, while the value and convenience enjoyed by the members has a potential to outweigh a monthly subscription or membership fees. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. MamataBanerjee claims to get investment proposals worth Rs 3.42 trillion. West Bengal Chief Minister MamataBanerjee said the state received investment proposals worth Rs 3.42 trillion during the 6th Bengal Global Business Summit, and this amount of investment will help the state create around 40 lakh new jobs across sectors. Banerjee said a total of 137 memoranda of understanding and letters of intent were signed for the proposed investments during the event. Companies like GAIL, ONGC, Adani Group, JSW Group, among others, are planning to invest in the state. Elon Musk is in talks with Thoma Bravo for partnering on Twitter bid. Tesla's chief executive Elon Musk is in talks with private equity firm Thoma Bravo about partnering on a possible takeover bid for Twitter. Thoma Bravo is a Chicago-based buyout firm focused on the technology sector and is expected to be the key to Musk moving forward with a binding offer for Twitter. Recently, Musk said he has lined up $46.5 billion in debt and equity financing to buy Twitter and was considering taking his offer directly to shareholders. WHO's Traditional Medicine Center in Jamnagar to have 100 plus rooms and 6 wings. Indian officials and teams from the World Health Organization are giving final touches to the design for the first of its kind WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicine in Gujarat's Jamnagar. The facility will also focus on traditional medicines and therapies used across the globe, such as in Africa, Arab, Islamic and Chinese healing practices, along with working for Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha or Seva Rigpa. The floors or wings of the building can be divided into 6 zones based on the regions of WHO. The project was officially launched recently by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and WHO Director General Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus. NPCI to hire 250 engineering trainees. National Payments Corporation of India has announced a hiring campaign that aims to recruit more than 250 graduate engineering trainees. NPCI will also be offering Learn Deep Tech While You Earn program for the GETs to pursue postgraduate certification in artificial intelligence and machine learning or blockchain from a reputed institution. The newly joined GETs will be placed at NPCI's world-class office facilities in key metro cities across India and will get to work on live projects on top-notch products like UPI, RuPay and FASTag. Applications for GETs are open and will close on April 28th. Engineering graduates from the 2021 and 2022 batches can apply through the career page on the NPCI website. Amazon acquires GlowRoad. Amazon has reportedly acquired women-focused social commerce startup GlowRoad in an undisclosed all-cash deal. GlowRoad has over 6 million resellers and is present over 2,000 cities. The company said the acquisition will help it meet the commitment to digitize 10 million local Indian businesses by 2025. GlowRoad gives users access to a virtual shop, millions of products from suppliers, payments and shipping facilities. The acquisition would help Amazon to compete with Flipkart's Shopsy platform and other social commerce firms and startups such as SoftBank-backed Meesho, Dealshare, Bulbul, Mall91 and SimSim. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.